The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, had formally inaugurated the Iew Dorbar Malki on the 14th of February 2022 in the presence of East Shillong MLA AMPAREEN LYNGDOH and MDC FANTIN LAKADONg. CONRAD SANGMA, while addressing the gathering, expressed his gratitude to MLA AMPAREEN LYNGDOH for having taken the initiative of the market project to provide space for the people of Malki to secure for themselves a better livelihood.
I thank Kong AMPAREEN and our MDC and the Rambashnong and all the other dignitaries on the dais, and once again would like to congratulate the beneficiaries who have benefited from this project, and I'm sure that this small but beautiful project that has been initiated by the Honorable MLA will go a long way in transforming the lives of the individuals and the families involved in this. So with these few words, once again, I wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much. Kublai, Butela, and Jai Hind.
The MLA of East Shillong constituency, AMPAREEN LYNGDOH, while speaking at the inaugural function, said that the Nongmansong housing project under the Chief Minister's office has been a successful one. Therefore, she urged upon the Darbashna of Malki to make available some space for a similar project wherein the urban poor would be able to have a roof over their heads. Also, AMPAREEN LYNGDOH said that it would benefit the people if the government would extend its help and support to the revamping of the existing market at Malki, whose structure and foundation are both in place.
Sir, the Nongmansong project has been such a successful project. Through your office, we were able to also begin accommodation of urban poor people in at least 7 buildings there in Nongmansong. We hope one day that if the Darbar of Malki so wishes to, we can look at a similar project for them, because there are too many poorest of the poor who are deserving of such an opportunity, like those living in Lanka are beneficiaries of today. There is so much we can do, sir, so much we can plan, so much we can think of to build this community, to strengthen every family. And I know that with my working with you, nothing is impossible. There is no harm, sir, in piping a beautiful dream. Doesn't matter if partially those dreams are fulfilled through your hands and through my hands. But I know that together we can build, we can make things happen, and we can ensure that whatever we do not for ourselves or our fame or our name, but we do it for generation next, who will all remember the good things that we do for them.